Did you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had?
Did you get up on this table and eat this food? Huh? Was it you, Oreo? Did you do it?
Man, look, I've been on this couch watching TV, man. You know he did it. Look at his face. Look how stupid he look. Look at it. Ask him if he did it.
Was it you?
See? See, look at that stupid look on his face.
Huh?
That's a dead giveaway. You know he did it.
Aurora? Aurora? I'm sorry.
Right now, when you buy any one of our best-selling pillows, you'll get a second one free. Sleep well, stay well. Sleep Country. And stay at this hotel.